Laffy, if you're watching this, and you're probably watching from your phone or maybe your computer, but do not let the phone rule your life. Heart. Oh, phone down.
Put the phone down and solve some math equations.
Yes. And you know what math equation you could be working on?
What?
SOH CAH TOA! So if you guys want, make us famous, tell Laffy to play this video every year.
And all
during
his classes.
We're about to talk about some really fun things like sine, cosine,
and
tangent, and Lindsay Lohan.
Switcheroo. You guys can also follow our Instagrams at Miss Shelley and Extra Y and at Maya Helen.
SOH CAH TOA!
It's helpful for remembering the definitions of trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent.
On the calculator, find cosine, sine, and tangent. So, also referred to as sine, is known as opposite over hypotenuse.
And CAH, also referred to cosine, is adjacent over hypotenuse.
Last but not least, TOA. And TOA refers to the tangent. This stands for opposite over adjacent.
Now you got all that down, let's go on to the problems. Say you have a triangle.
And you have a reference angle of 27.
And you're trying to find y. You take your reference angle and you have to find the opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So from 27 and across from 27 is the opposite.
Then label the side of the triangle opposite.
And then you go back to your reference angle and try to find your hypotenuse and adjacent. So to find the hypotenuse, it will be the one that's like going slanted down, and you label that with hypotenuse.
The 90-degree angle always points to the hypotenuse. And to find adjacent, it's the one without anything pointing to it.
Then you can label that with adjacent. Now you have your triangle labeled and you're ready to solve the problem.
Since you have all your sides labeled, you know which is going to be the hypotenuse and the adjacent. And on the triangle, you know that 5 and y is your hypotenuse.
So you would use cosine or cup adjacent over hypotenuse value.
So what you want to do is you want to take the cosine of 27 and set it equal to the adjacent over the height. So taking cosine 27 and setting it equal to 5 over y.
Then you want to do the Lindsay Lohan. So basically you're going to swap the cosine of 27, which is the reference angle, with the y, so the y will be on the left side by itself. So it would end up being y equals 5 over cosine of 27. Then you go in a calculator and
punch
type in 5 divided by cosine and then parentheses 21. And then you'll get
your answer of y equals 5.61. Look at you! You're a star!
And that's how you solve for trigonometric functions.
Thanks for watching.
And Laffy, if you learned anything from this video,
you should play it to your students every year when you're teaching SOH CAH TOA.
Okay, goodbye.